The LAIKA all-terrain vehicle is a compact all-terrain vehicle with caterpillar tracks, which is equipped with a LITVINA engine with a capacity of 24 horsepower. You can get into the cabin of the all-terrain vehicle through the lifting roof. This all-terrain vehicle is single-seater. The tracks are homemade and 350 mm wide. The all-terrain vehicle is controlled using 2 levers. The LAIKA tracked all-terrain vehicle can accelerate to a speed of 40 km per hour. LITVINA is a floating all-terrain vehicle with a 6x6 wheel arrangement on ultra-low pressure tires, designed for transporting people and delivering goods over rough terrain. The all-terrain vehicle has a powerful spatial frame that can withstand loads equally well, both torsion and bending, in the longitudinal and transverse directions. All transmission components and assemblies are located inside the frame, which protects them from damage. The body is assembled from fiberglass panels insulated with extruded polystyrene foam. To increase the heat inside, the all-terrain vehicle is equipped with 2 types of heaters. The power plant uses a diesel turbo engine with a capacity of 83 horsepower, which meets all international standards and requirements for environmental protection. The amphibian is equipped with 2 fuel tanks, each with a capacity of 105 liters. At maximum fuel consumption, its range with 1 full refueling can be up to 600 kilometers. The VEDUN all-terrain vehicle has a sealed body made of high-strength steel and aluminum alloys, a side-steering design, tubeless ultra-low pressure tires and a pneumatic circulation suspension with tire inflation by exhaust gases. VEDUN has a spacious and comfortable interior, designed for long trips. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with 2 batteries with a capacity of 65 amp-hours each. An Android audio system with navigation and rear-view camera is installed as standard. Also provided are cigarette lighter sockets, USB connectors, and comfortable stainless steel handrails for securing cargo and allowing passengers to hold on. The all-terrain vehicle has side-sliding windows. As an option, the front glass can be electrically heated. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a Kuda diesel engine with a capacity of 44 horsepower, which is paired with a 6-speed gearbox. Fuel consumption, depending on off-road conditions, can be up to 3 liters per hour. The fuel reserve in a standard tank is 120 liters. An additional 56-liter tank can be installed as an option. The ground clearance of the all-terrain vehicle is 600 mm. The maximum speed is 40 km per hour. The weight of the all-terrain vehicle without load, including the driver, is 2,300 kilograms. The load capacity is 1,000 kilograms. On the VEDUN all-terrain vehicle, you can choose between TROM 16 or Forester tires with dimensions 1650 by 570. The passenger capacity of the all-terrain vehicle is up to 6 people. The maximum elevation angle for an all-terrain vehicle is 35 degrees. MYL is a reliable cargo passenger-wheeled all-terrain vehicle with ultra-low pressure tires, suitable for traveling over rough terrain and public roads. The high reliability of the swamp vehicle is achieved through the use of a reinforced frame, axles from a GAZ 66 truck, a transfer case with a center differential lock, and a disc brake system. Engine operation is monitored by special software that increases traction performance. Starting a diesel engine in winter is simplified by the Webasto preheater. The 128 horsepower Cummins diesel power unit is reliable and economical. When driving on the highway, fuel consumption per 100 kilometers is 15 liters, and off-road when covering the same distance, fuel consumption will not exceed 22 liters. Taipan is a new floating all-terrain vehicle, characterized by high maneuverability in swampy and rough terrain. The Taipan uses a Toyota engine with a volume of 1,800 cubic centimeters and a power of 130 horsepower, which is paired with an automatic transmission. The body of the ATV is made of fiberglass. The body can be either open or closed. Steering, hydrovolumetric. The suspension is spring-mounted. Disc brakes on 2 axles. The all-terrain vehicle can be equipped with tires from different manufacturers in sizes 1200 by 600, 1300 by 700 and 1370 by 600. The Taipan's carrying capacity is 600 kilograms. Passenger capacity up to 6 people. The maximum speed is 80 kilometers per hour. OHOTEC is a tracked amphibious snow and swamp-going vehicle with 6 support wheels, which has a low specific pressure of 0.06 kilograms per square centimeter. This parameter depends on the width of the caterpillar tracks. In the standard version, the all-terrain vehicle is equipped with tracks 25 centimeters wide, but if you purchase special extenders as an option, which will increase the width of each track by 15 centimeters, then the pressure on the ground will drop to 0.041 kilograms per square centimeter. OHOTEC is equipped with a single-cylinder 4-stroke internal combustion engine with a capacity of 13 horsepower. The motor has a forced air cooling system and manual start. The transmission is a 4-speed gearbox with a belt clutch. A 5-speed gearbox and an automatic dry-type centrifugal clutch are optional. The all-terrain vehicle is controlled very simply, with 2 steering levers, like a caterpillar tractor or a tank. The brake system is disc, with a hydraulic drive. The fuel tank volume of 6.5 liters is enough for more than 2 hours of uninterrupted operation of the Chinese-made power unit. Its consumption is 2.9 L/h. Light and maneuverable, inexpensive and compact, the OHOTEC all-terrain vehicle can be operated at temperatures from -40 to +40 degrees Celsius. It effortlessly overcomes off-road conditions and confidently stays afloat.